Do you hear that? That's me shoe. It's rock solid. I've got to put that on my foot.
What was the temperature last night?
4. 3?
Well, at least they gave us a few degrees.
Yeah. This thing is so big.
Biggest one they got?
It's Granyon.
Hamdanian.
And Granyon.
Granyon, man. This guy can't decide what he wants to wear.
Just nervous.
Just got his jacket off. Survival blanket. Tip of the trade. Put it in your jacket. And you stay nice and warm.
Gorgeous scenery, right?
Sure.
Hey Quentin, how much food did we bring to walk across the entire Grand Canyon and back?
Nowhere near enough.
Okay.
So
What do we have?
So let's review.
What do we have left?
We're
Not even. We're not even halfway done with our walk.
No, we're not halfway done with our walk. So let's review. We have 2 servings of couscous each.
Awesome.
One of the servings can go with 1 can of tuna. We get
Cool.
half a can of tuna each.
Awesome.
And then we have
Enough nuts for an infant.
enough nuts for an infant, a small child. And then we also have one more meal. Freeze-dried chicken teriyaki.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Cooking snow. It's
Oh,
raw.
cool.
Surprise granola bar. And again, this is ultralight backpacking. We brought a full-size can over.
We don't got a whole lot to eat other than humble pie.
Check it out. Rid for my pleasure, eh?
Oh, this one's on the NPS, eh?
So we're thanking the government today
Oh, I love the fucking government right now.
because of this.
We got, holy, is that meals ready to eat, bro?
Meals ready
Our
to
first
eat.
meal in fucking 36 hours.
Thank you, government. Mexican style macaroni and cheese. I didn't even know they had macaroni and
Oh
cheese in
my
Mexico.
god, dude. Thank the government.
Thank you, government.
This pack is at capacity.
There's an emergency phone right there. My brother says his foot hurts. I think about calling him a helicopter. What do you think of that, Owen?
Oh, well, I just can't use one leg, mate.
How we gonna cross that river?
We'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Yo, did you ever seen Project Party or Party X? Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up a little bit. That would straight up kill you, dude.
Just walked across the Grand Canyon. I don't know, was that good?
I feel like $100 right now.